G'day! On the Pokemon Battle Figure set, spotted this in the clearance aisle. So, picked up the rest of them. Or at least what I could find. We have Togepi, Wartortle, and Pancham, Pikipek, Galarian Ponyta, and Snorunt, Carvanha, Jolteon, and Wooloo, Vaporeon, Rockruff, and Bellossom, Flareon, Tyrunt, and Appletun. These are some others. Didn't see any of these on the shelves. I don't know what Scout for Battle means, but they're going to go around the house as some decorations and little peekaboos around the corners and bookshelf and whatever. Let's crack them open. These are pretty easy to pop open, held only by the sheer will of the blister pack. That was easy enough. Some of these had a little trouble getting out, but most of them just popped right out. So each of these comes with a checklist. All the ones I opened have the same promo sheet. It would have been cool to find an Electivire. So these all say they have some points of articulation. I'm not sure exactly how many or what frame, but because this is a Vaporeon. Head don't move. The legs do. The legs are splayed out. The Flareon, you spin the head around. The legs can go only so far. Fur is kind of blocking it. Pancham is stuck like that. Pancham's really top heavy, but it can still stand if you can work out how to stabilize the feet. Tyrunt is as is. Same as Appletun. So I think the small ones do not have any articulation. Carvanha is stuck like that. Oh, Rockruff. Togepi. Wooloo. It's a solid meatball. Pikipek. Comes with a stand. Bellossom. Down. Turn Bellossom upside down. Stick it in a pot of soil. See if anyone notices. So Jolteon can move the head a bit. Legs, only so far. Wartortle, back and forth on the head. Wartortle. The arms don't move, the legs don't move. So Wartortle on the evolved forms only has a bit of a head turn. Everything else has legs. The Galarian Ponyta, there's a bit of a head turn and some leg reach. Well, the hind legs only go forward because there's nothing to go back to. So most of these are pretty solid build, very thick vinyl, plastic, whatever. There's some points that feel a little bit more flexible. There's got a little bit of a give. The Carvanha here feels like it's about to fall off everywhere because this is fragile. Fins are pretty flimsy. The stand is pretty handy. The Jolteon here looks about to be the longest. Ponyta and the Jolteon seem about the same length. It's about 3.5 inches or 9 centimeters. The tallest one here, probably the Galarian Ponyta. It's about 3.25 inches or 8 centimeters tall. The smallest one I have is a toss-up between the Pikipek and the Togepi. Togepi is 1.25 inches wide or 3 centimeters, by about the same in height. Trash-wise, we have these backing cards, paper inside, and the display cards. I guess you can recycle or compost all that. And the blisters and the other plastic shell. The blisters don't sit in each other, but you can cascade the other shell so there's less room in the trash. Well, plastic is marked as number 1, if that means anything. And most of that plastic will be trashed because it never goes away. If you are going to bin it, cut these down to something that makes it flat so you can fit them all in as opposed to trashing some air. See you next time on video.